Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product unboxings. Today I'm going to be checking out this JOAH's skincare collection. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, wow. It's like a whole show in here. So unleash the power of CICA, aka tiger grass. Oh, okay, so this brand is all about utilizing this ingredient to reduce redness, irritation, and then become your sensitive skin's BFF. So what comes in here is basically we have our blurring and cooling primer, and this thing is dermatologist tested, comes with aloe vera, hence the cooling. So you basically put this on prior to anything since it's primer. Next, we have our gentle foam cleanser over here. Comes with camel extract and antioxidant packed superfruit, leaving your skin renewed and refreshed and radiant. We have our spot patch for acne or different stuff like that. Literally just pop this little guy on. Comes with 30 patches, great. Next we have our toner pads. So this is basically before you put on makeup and after you take off your makeup, you want to tone your face. Comes with willow bark extract. Set the tone for the day, it says. Lift away impurities, reduces the look of pores and redness with calming willow bark extract. Finally, we have a cooling face globe. I have always wanted to try one of these. As you're putting on your skincare for the morning, it's not even like super cold, but even just that in and of itself has a really relaxing feel to it. I feel like it's almost a little bit more relaxing than a jade roller because it is circular. You can kind of go anywhere you want. Instead of a jade roller, you have to do this motion. This you can just kind of glide along wherever you want to go. You can even use this as a smaller roller too. So yeah, if you want to check out this collection, go ahead and check out the links below. And if you like product unboxings and unopenings, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.